It is November 18th, 2020. Today we film episode 2 of Return to ISR. I stopped by Dominos this morning to ask for a small box, but they were closed. So I went to the dumpster and found one. I'm also making a piece of simulated pizza. Let's take a look at that. Okay, here's the simulated pizza. Oh, where'd my yellow paint go? Oh, there it is. So I have taped off the edge to create sort of a crust look. I don't know why I taped these edges though. That doesn't make any sense. Crust wouldn't be exposed there. Okay, so I'm going to take those two pieces of tape off, and first I'm going to paint it with cheese, and then I'm going to paint it with tomato sauce. There's the tomato sauce. I'm not sure why I grabbed the white can. I'm not using that. Okay, the cheese layer is complete. It's hard to find cheese-colored paint at a big box store, it turns out. The options were this, which is called straw flour, or something that was bright yellow, and neither really does the job. So this is just going to be a cheese pizza because I don't have time for mushrooms and sausage. Okay, making simulated pizza is turning out to be more difficult than I thought it would be. It's not very convincing looking pizza. Okay, that's it. The final simulated piece of pizza. The cardboard color was supposed to simulate the crust. I didn't think the printing was going to be quite as visible as it is, but I'm not going to fix the crust. This is just the way it's going to be.